Good morning, one and all. Today's class is about multipath inheritance. So, the multipath inheritance is nothing but when a class is deriving from two or more classes, those classes are derived from the same base class. Such type of inheritance is known as multipath inheritance. So, this multipath inheritance is a combination of multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. So, in this case, this is a achieving multiple inheritance. So, the multiple inheritance is nothing but two or more base classes are derived into one derived class. Multi-level inheritance. This is multi-level inheritance. In this case, it is achieving multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but two or more levels of inheritances possible. Hierarchical inheritance. In this case, it is achieving hierarchical inheritance. So, the hierarchical inheritance is nothing but only one base class and we have number of derived classes. So, in this case, this is a diagrammatic representation of multipath inheritance. So, in this case, the class D has two sets of data members. So, this is base class. This is base. The class A is a base class. Class B and class C are the intermediate base classes or derived classes. Intermediate base class or derived classes. Class D is a derived class. So, in this situation, the class A, class B and class C have the same sets of data members of class A at class B and class C. While deriving the class D from class B and class C, the same copy of class A is available multiple times at class D. In this situation, the class D has two sets of data members of class A through class B and class C. So, this problem in this case, the multipath inheritance is not supported in C++. In this situation, some problem occurred at derived class D. This problem is also called as diamond problem or ambiguity problem. So, to avoid this ambiguity problem in C++, the virtual keyword introduced. The use of virtual keyword is nothing but when we are using the virtual keyword, the compiler automatically avoids the duplication of data members multiple times. It avoids the duplication of data members multiple times. So, this is an example program for virtual keyword. This is a class A. Class A is a base class. This is a base class. In this base class, we are declaring one variable, integer type of variable A. The class B, which is deriving from class A. So, the class A data members are accessed in class B. The class A data members are accessed in class B. So, to avoid the duplications of class A, we use the virtual keyword here. This is a class B colon virtual keyword followed by access mode followed by class A. So, in this situation, again one more class, the class C, again which is deriving from the class A. Again the same copy of the data members available of class A at class C also. So, the class C also having its own data members. So, class D. class D is a derived class. Class D is a derived class. So in this case, it is deriving from class C. It is deriving from class C, comma class B. So the D also having its own data members. In main method, we are creating the object with the derived class. So with the derived class object, we are accessing all the data members of the base classes. So object A, we are assigning some value to the object A and B, C and D. And we are also printing the values of A, B, C, D respectively. So in this case, the outputs for this all the statements, in this case it will printing 10, in this case 20, in this case 30 and in this case 40 will be the outputs for this program. So in this situation, the class A, in this situation the class A is a base class, class B, class C, which is deriving from class A. So the same copy of the A data members available at B and C. Again class D is derived from two base classes. The same copy of data members available at D, but in this case, while deriving the class A data members into class B, we use the virtual keyword. We use the virtual keyword. By the use of virtual keyword, the C++ compiler avoids the duplication of data members at derived classes. So, by the use of virtual keyword, we have to avoid the duplication of data members at derived classes. So, without using this virtual keyword, we have some error like ambiguity error. This is the main difference between the multipath inheritance and the virtual keyword. You have to execute these two programs without using virtual. You may got some error like some ambiguity problem. In this situation, you have to printing the values of 10, 20, 30 and 40 as respectively. Thank you.